In this video, we will talk about how to compress files in Windows 11. Method 1. Compress single files or folder. First, go to the file or folder that you want to compress. Right-click on the file or folder. Take your cursor on Compress to select Zip File. And that's it. Your zip file will be created instantly. You'll see the compressed file in the same location, and you can rename it anytime. Method 2. Compress multiple files. Now, if you want to compress multiple files into one zip file, here's what you do. Press and hold Control key. Select all the files you want. Right-click and compress to zip file. All selected files will be combined into one zip file. That's all for today. See you in the next video.